Reddit is a platform that has revolutionized online communities and discussions since its inception. Reddit has become a global hub for sharing, discussing, and exploring an incredible variety of topics. Over the years, the platform's subreddits or specialized communities have played roles to everything from heartwarming stories to intense debates, making it a true testament to the power of online connectivity. Today, we're gonna learn on a quick tutorial how to upload images on Reddit. Let's get to it. First thing you need to do is navigate to the server you want to upload the photo. Now click on the picture icon. Now click on Send right here. Doing that, now all you have to do is select the file you want to upload on Reddit. You can add up to 20 images and you can add a title to it. You can mark the post as inappropriate content, spoiler, and clicking here on flare, you can make flares, saying it's humor, news, ball market, discussion, anything that are related with the server you're posting. Now all you have to do is click here on post and that's it. If the content helped you even a little bit, please consider leaving a like on the video and subscribing to our channel. If you had any doubt about the process or want to make a compliment or a suggestion, please comment below. Bye!